How to update Microsoft Word on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Microsoft Word and search for it. If the update button is available for Microsoft Word, it means a new version is available with the latest features. However, if you are already using the latest version, then you will see the open button instead. To update Microsoft Word, simply tap the update button. The update process will begin and Microsoft Word will start updating on your device. Please note that the installation may take some time depending on the update size and internet speed. So please be patient. Once the update is complete, you will see the open button. Simply tap on it to launch the updated app, and there you have it. You have successfully updated Microsoft Word on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.